Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to make your homework with ChatGPT. So, to do that, first open your browser and go to chat.openai.com and log into your account. After that, you can now tap search bar and search your homework example, 5 tourism spots of the Philippines. So you can type here, hi, can you give me 5 tourism spots in the Philippines? Then tap enter. And now you can see ChatGPT will provide you 5 popular tourism spots in the Philippines like Boracay, Palawan, and others. So that's how to make your homework with ChatGPT. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.